Katatapos ko lang magluto ng lumpia guys, pati na ang aking baked macaroni. Tapos sinugasan ko yung mga prutas. Dahil birthday ng aking baby boy. 7 years old na siya guys. Ayan. Tapos iinit ko na lang mamaya yung pizza. Tapos yung cake niya lalagay ko dito. Pagdating niya, susunduin ko siya sa kids club niya. Simple lang ang handa niya guys. Yan, nuggets, lumpia, at baked macaroni. Tapos, orange, grapes, and strawberry. Yan, tapos pizza, tapos cake. Yan, sinanay ko silang ganyan lagi guys, every year. Simple lang yung kanilang birthday. Hindi ko sila sinanay na mag-party ng bonggang-bongga na may mga bisita. Kasi ang mahalaga, makakain nila yung mga gusto nila, yung mga favorite nilang pagkain. Tapos, ang mahalaga yung mag-outing kami. May paglalaanan kami ng pera para sa gusto niyang puntahan. Hindi katulad sa atin, pag birthday ng anak, pakain sa buong kapitbahay, tapos the next day wala nang pagkain. Yun lang, birthday ang ng aking baby boy today. See you later. Go now. Happy birthday to you. Let's dadar ate.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Wait, is that all for me?
Yeah, for you and ate.
Hey, you forgot the candle.
Yeah, we put candles. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ali. Okay, Ali, make a wish.
I wish my food zombie metal come now.
Okay, yay! Oh, blow ate.
I wish to have like the iPod card to have more.
Yay! You like it? Happy birthday, my bulunggoy. Oh, eat na. I get your spoon and fork, okay? Yummy?
What's it called? Mama,
I get your your Sprite.
Mama!
I see.
Nigga.
You like Mama's lumpia? Yeah.
Don't forget.
Our birthday boy, Ali. Happy birthday. Say hi, Ali.